Hi, it's Jan Howell from YouMakeItSimple.com. When it comes to giving treats, these little parchment paper bags are such a fun, unique way to package your goodies. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to make these little bags using a simple sheet of parchment paper and a sewing machine. To make your parchment paper treat bags, you'll need parchment paper. You can use the parchment paper that comes in a roll, or you can buy them already cut in sheets. You'll need a pair of paper scissors, or you can use a rotary cutter and ruler and a rotary mat, which I like to do, just to get a square cut. You'll need a stapler if you want to staple on ribbon or anything else, and you'll need your sewing machine. There's a large size bag, a medium size bag, and a small bag. This one, the large bag, you'll cut to 8.5 by 12.5 inches. The medium size bag, you'll cut 7 by 10.5 inches. And the small bag, 8 by 6.5 inches. Of course, you can always make these whatever size you want. I have tried to make these parchment bags using glue, and I've seen tutorials where they use glue and it just does not stay glued. It comes apart. I have tried all different kinds of glues and none of them stay glued together. So that's why I really like this sewing method. I of course like to make things with paper and sewing, and so this works really well. So what you'll do first is take your parchment piece, fold it in half crosswise like this, line up your edges, and you're just going to sew a small 1/8 of an inch seam down here. So once you've sewn the seam, we're going to open it up and just eyeball where that seam is in the center, and just fold with your fingers, crease the outside edge, and then fold that seam over. For the bottom seam, I'm going to fold that up just a 1/2 inch and just eyeball it. And so you don't have the bulk here. I'm going to open that up and just take your scissors, starting from the crease, just at an angle, cutting that bottom at an angle. And then we're going to get rid of that inside piece, just cutting that along the line, along the fold. And then just fold that up, and we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew along the edge there. You can use just a straight stitch, a zigzag. You can use white thread, or you can make it kind of fancy by using different colors of thread. Now let's just fill your treat bags. The small one's a good size for a small cookie. Once you have have your goodies inside, just fold the top down about a ½ inch or so, and you take it to the sewing machine and just do another stitch there. You can just do a plain white stitch if you want, or colored stitching. Now that you've filled your sacks, you can embellish them all different kinds of ways. Fun way to package treats. Different, unique, easy to make. These are great for party favors. Throw inside another gift you're giving. Great for all different holidays. Make sure you're subscribing to my channel, and we'll see you in the next class.